So in the past 30 days, my Instagram page grew with 50,000 new followers. Not too long ago, I was really struggling trying to grow my Instagram page. Seemed like I was putting all this effort into my content and it just simply went nowhere. So if that's something that's currently happening to you and you're trying to grow your Instagram page, you came to the right video because I'm gonna show you exactly 5 steps I took to take my Instagram page to the next level and blow it up almost overnight. I can say with full confidence that my personal brand and my Instagram page allow me to now afford this dream apartment and 100% support myself financially. In fact, just a few minutes ago, I got about $900 payment from a client, and that was for 2 hours strategy call so I can help him to grow his social media pages on Instagram and TikTok. Step number 1 is you gotta have some sort of aesthetic or some sort of branding towards your page, that when somebody sees the content or Instagram Explore page and they immediately know that this content belongs to your page. People start associating the aesthetics of the video to your page. Now, this is something you're gonna develop with time. It's definitely not something that you're gonna know how to do the first day, and develop your branding takes some time. I feel like only now I developed some sort of aesthetics to my Instagram page. Before it was kind of all over the place. I get a lot of people interested into my presets and how I edit my videos, so I left the first link in my description where you're gonna find the preset, plus I added a viral content secrets course, so feel free to check it out. It's gonna be the first link in the description or in the first pinned comment under this video. And this brings us to the step number 2, which is you gotta provide some sort of value through your videos, so your video is going to have a bigger chance of going viral. My most viral video got shared over thousands of times, like 20,000 times at least, which increased the virality loop because a lot of people started sharing it and their followers started seeing it and their followers started sharing it, and just it spinned and spinned and spinned, and it simply doesn't stop spinning till now. And once your video starts being shared by a lot of people, your other content starts getting noticed as well and starts racking up those views as well. So essentially what you need is just for that one video to go viral, and that's gonna simply make your Instagram page. Of course, once you have that positive momentum going your way, you have to be pumping out videos, at least one video every single day, or at least one video every single 2 days. And when I say provide value, you want to either educate, motivate, or entertain your viewers. If you look closely to some of my viral videos, they're simply lifestyle shots with aesthetic presets, and it also has some sort of motivational or philosophical words going in the background. But some of the videos of mine doesn't have that actual like voice speaking over, it just has some sort of motivational text over the fast-paced cuts of the clips. Which leads us to the third step if you want to increase possibility of your videos going viral, is that you have to use audio on your videos, especially if you're just starting out. You don't want to be posting videos with original audio. At least for me, it worked way more when I started posting videos with somebody else's audio. And the trick here is to use the audio that not a lot of people are using yet, but it has potential to go viral or has already went viral with one video. So let's say you have an audio, and I'm gonna show you a really cool example, but there's an audio that has been used for a video that has the original video of the audio has 3 million views, and there's less than 1,000 people that already use that audio. That's a good sign for you to use that audio because it potentially could go viral. Simply just aim to find audios that has less than 500 uses, and the original video of that audio has over 500,000 views on that original video, if that makes sense. So here's a good example of what I'm actually trying to convey to you right now. So try this for yourself and see how fast your page gonna grow. Fourth really important step is to make sure your videos are fast-paced, but I mean the video cuts really fast, at least every single second, if you can every single 0.5 second, because attention span right now is less than 3 seconds. So yeah, you have to adapt, right? If you want to get that viral video, you have to adapt to what people are actually looking for, what people are actually viewing, and keep in mind that when you're posting those videos, most of the people are gonna sit throughout even like 8-second videos. So you have to do your best, and to do that, you have to hook people in with really fast-paced cuts. That's simply how it is. By the way, in the course that I linked down below in the first link in the description, I teach you exactly how you can do that, how you can edit those fast-paced videos and increase their chances of going viral. Pretty much I show you everything step by step to increase the chance of that video going extremely viral, just how I did for myself. So the fifth and the last step that you must adopt if you want to succeed on Instagram and grow your page: do not invent the wheel and do not overthink too much. You don't need the fanciest and newest iPhone to get started, or you don't need to have a best camera to get started. You can simply start from where you are. Of course, you have like really bad phone that doesn't have a camera, you can't really start, but I'm guessing you already have some decent phones, so just start with where you are, because once you get some sort of results, it's much better to buy the equipment and upgrade the equipment with the money you're already earning from your page. Just pick few creators that you follow and you like their content and model your own content by their content. Try to create similar content to theirs and add your own style, add your own spin on your own content. Maybe it's gonna be different color grading. Start putting out that content and start generating feedback. And if you have more questions, feel free to leave them down below under this video, or just message me privately at Creator Caro on Instagram. But that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.